Hey everyone, this is Nick. In our last video, we used the Copilot function inside of Excel to try and split up responses from an export of a multiple select question from Microsoft Forms. We want those to be in separate columns, and we want ones or zeros to be in the cells depending on whether or not our survey respondent selected that option from the multiple select question or the select all that apply question in survey design. If you know, you know, right? So we're going to go ahead, instead of using the Copilot function, I'm going to use Copilot Chat to ask it if it could either insert the data that I want or provide me with some suggestions for a formula. Now we have other videos about a previous formula that we used, but let's see what Copilot gives us. So to open Copilot, you're going to open it in the icon right here in the lower right. I'm going to click it to open, and then what we're going to do in the chat pane, I'm just going to go ahead and I'll copy this formula right here, or this prompt right here, and paste it in just so you don't hear me typing. But it says enter 10 data into cells E30 through H39, so I wanted to give it the appropriate cell range if the label value in row 29 appears in the text from column D. A pretty simple prompt. It doesn't give maybe all of the details, but I think Copilot can handle some of this context. So I'm going to go ahead and push enter or hit that arrow, and we'll see what Copilot gives us. It always does a little bit of work, and lately Copilot has been taking quite a long time, so I hope over time the amount of time that Copilot takes will do it. And oh, that was pretty quick. It actually put all of the numbers right into my cells, and I love that when Copilot enters something there, you have that really nice colorful gradient border, because it really tells you that AI has put something into your workbook. And over here on the side, it's going to tell you exactly what we did, and it's going to show the formula that it used. This really interesting formula, this is number, this kind of a nested formula with different functions, the search function, the is number function. There's two hyphens that do something in there. I never would have known how to do this on my own. And if we go ahead and just click on done, we're going to go ahead into these cells, and you can see that it's actually inserted that formula inside of each of the cells for me. And that looks really nice. So I think using Copilot, this could be one really great use case for using Copilot to help understand formulas and functions in Excel. I think you have to know a little bit about that first. If I knew nothing about Excel, I would have absolutely no idea what was going on right here, and I'm not sure I would know what to ask it. So you still need to know some of the nuts and bolts behind the scenes, but I think this is one way that Copilot can help make our survey analysis work just a little bit easier. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. Had a great time making this for you, and I cannot wait to see you all next time.